Hello everyone. Today we are going to see AutoCAD software installation guide, how to install the software and get it ready to work on it. Okay. Now, first of all, we have to click on this link, which is Autodesk Education Community. Okay. By clicking on this, you will be directed to the AutoCAD educational softwares, which are free of cost for the students and educators. Okay. Now on this page we have to create account first by inserting some details like our country, educational role and institution type. Okay. After filling these details like our country, educational role as student, institution type is university or post secondary, and date of birth of the student or faculty, and then click on next to further proceed. Then we have to enter our first name, last name, our authenticated email ID, and we have to set the password, and then we have to click on this create account button. Okay. After generating our account, we will get the mail from the Autodesk, that is activation mail. We have to click on that activation link which is in the mail, and we have to activate our account. Okay. After that we have to come to this page again for signing in. Okay. Click on sign in. Then we have to insert our email ID which have already registered with the Autodesk. Then click on next, and we have to insert the password which we have entered at the time of registration. Then click on sign in. Then it will ask for the uh, code which is received on the our mobile number. Okay, it is a two-way authentication process, so we have to enter that code and click on enter code, and then you will be sign in into the your Autodesk account. Okay. Then we have to select uh, type of the license, type of the software, then software, and then operating system and language of the software. So we are going to select personal use or individual use, and we are going to select AutoCAD version of 19, 20 or 21. Anyone you can select, but select older version, um, because it is compatible with the with all the systems. So, and nowadays we are having Windows 10, so operating system is 64-bit and language English. Then you will get the serial number and product key for the activation. You have to record it, or you will get the mail of this serial number and product key. Okay. After this, below that we are having install now option. Click on this arrowhead. You will get drop down list: install now, download now, browser download, or help me decide. Okay. Generally do not use this install now option. uh, Whenever our ethernet will be disconnected and all, then process will be stopped in between, and AutoCAD initialization process will may stop. So we have to choose download option. Okay. Download now, download the files and save it on uh, D drive or C drive. Okay. Then after downloading, okay, we have to select our country, then we have to accept the agreement and click on next to proceed further. Okay, sorry. After downloading, you will get the Autodesk application manager. Okay, click on that application manager, and then you will get this prompted window like license agreement. Okay. Then you have to select this country, uh, then agreement acceptance, and we have to click on next. Okay. Then all the files will be extracted into the default C drive. So we have to use C drive only, so keep as it is and click on OK to extraction. Then extraction will take some time. After that we have to select that folder, Autodesk folder. From that we have to click on setup file. After clicking on setup file, we will get this installation manager. Okay, from the installation manager we have to select required options, like there are Autodesk, this is 17 image, so Autodesk, AutoCAD, then recap photo, or 360 desktop. There may be 4 to 5 options. We required only AutoCAD software, so we have to select this first option, Autodesk AutoCAD, and then click on install. Installation may take some time, so we have to wait for half an hour, or maybe more than that, according to the speed of the system. And okay, then we have to, after installation you will get message of finish. Okay, in this window here we will get the finish option. Click on finish, and then we have to open AutoCAD. Now we will get the icon on the desktop, AutoCAD 2015, 16, 17, 18, whatever we version we have installed, that icon will be there. So we have to right click on that icon, open that software, and license agreement window will be there. Now we have to activate this license. Okay, for that we should require uh, active internet connection, uh, and we should have that license key and product key which we have got at the time of sign in. Okay, now activate at the time of activation we have to insert that serial number and product key, and we have to click on next, and your software will be activated, your software license will be activated, and this software will be ready for the use for 1 year. Okay, all the best, and use this software. I have to practice, and have a nice day. Thank you.